Hey there, welcome back to the channel, Non-Consensual Towing. You know what we do. Anyway, Happy New Year to everybody. We're just kicking off a brand new year. I hope this year's going to be a lot better than the last. Not that I've had a bad year. I want to thank God for about 2020. Let's see here. I impounded 630 cars and did 1,277 calls. And I want to, like I said, I want to give a big thank you to all my subscribers, my boss, and God for keeping me safe through this this past year. Anyway, I got my new shirts right here. They're on Teespring. I hadn't had a chance to have them printed up, but I'll be giving these shirts away too in the up and coming months. But I'm gonna do an 80K giveaway, so y'all look forward to that giveaway, and I'll be putting more information on the channel. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this short and sweet, and we're gonna get right into the towing. Peace. Hey there, we're back at it again. We're on a property. We're on a property. Somebody's parked a couple cars on the wrong property, and we're fixing to load these two up. That one over there, that one's been stickered, and so is this one. This property manager that runs this property, if you leave a car sitting here for a long period of time, it's going to get towed. I think a lot of people just assume they can park their cars anywhere they want. They get this entitled mentality, and it don't work. This is the real world. You can't park on somebody else's property and just leave your car there. It's not fair to a property owner. Property owners got rights, and their rights get protected by tow drivers like me. So we're gonna load these cars up. Let's see if anybody comes out. I wouldn't be surprised somebody in one of these buildings is parking their extra cars on property. So far, so good. I got one more to get on the wheel lift. But a lot of people don't understand why cars are towed. And unless you own a piece of property, the people don't understand why. Get ready here in just a minute. I'm fixing to be hooking something in just a minute. I'm pretty certain of that. January 2021. Anyway, that silver cobalt I just checked out. It was on jacks. Last time we were in here, it was stickered because it was on jacks. They got it fixed. Good job. 18 building, suburban flat. That's a Yukon there. That's not the right car. Anyway, I'm rolling up on one over here that's it's a Kia Sportage. And if it's the same car that was stickered, that means it's been moved to a different building on the back side of the property. it's got a 2017 plate. So if this is the same one, we're gonna go ahead and hook it if it's the same car. Almost bet that it is. We got that Sportage from California Sportage there. They should have done something about that plate. You can't not get your tag in what, 3 years? That's pretty it's pretty rough. Not getting a tag in 3 years. Anyway, we're gonna roll up here to the next buildings up here. There's a couple more at the 4,000 building. 37. There's a sticker. Got no decal on it. Optima, no decal. I guess we're gonna load this Optima up. It's got no month decal on it. That usually means that the decal's expired and they pulled it off. We're gonna back up and hook it. 'Cause that's what we do. Anyway, we'll see what happens with it. I know that you got stickered.
I already notified my apartment, letting them know that my car is registered, and they know. They have email, verbal proof.
They didn't mark it off the list. It's not hooked to tow. I don't have a hook on it, or you have to pay it out. But
yeah, I live here.
But you don't have.
They already know.
You're stickered. They didn't tell. I'll show you the list.
I should have notified you.
Let's just make sure. Hey,
and
stop by there.
Them.
Well, they didn't mark it on the list.
Okay, well,
just make sure.
Letting you know, I'll make sure they'll know.
Yeah, I'm not all the way hooked, so you're good. I do it lawfully.
Yeah, no,
I do it lawfully, and I'd be professional about it.
No, yeah,
but listen.
Any problems. I'm just letting you know.
But listen, it's up to you. You notify them, but if you can't, hey, don't just send an email, because they get so many. Yeah. What happens is that they get so many, they might not open your email. Call up there or stop by.
Well, make sure my face is known.
Yeah. Well, or just call them. Say, hey, I'm not. I'll tell you what.
Like 6 voicemails.
You're the very last car. Okay. If you just bought it, you tell them I just bought it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That way they know.
I didn't get it in the mail when they sent my plates, so
okay.
I've been waiting for it in the mail.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good one. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and sign this other one out right here. I'm not gonna try to. That particular girl, she probably did just buy the car. It's got a CarMax tag on it. She may have just bought the car. I wouldn't be surprised. I just pulled up on this property to tow this car right here out of this driveway. I'm meeting this property manager. Matter of fact, she just pulled in. Now I'm gonna back up and yank this car. Hey there. There's that one there? Okay. don't know what the story on this is. Just because it's a wrecked car in an empty house, it does not mean that the neighbor might not own this car. Anyway, this house is actually, it's a rental house. She's either property manager or the owner of the house, one of the two. The person that was renting the house left that car in the driveway, and she said it's been there 4 months. Either way, she said the tenant's got 5 felony warrants on him right now, and that she's had to tow it because the Norcross City Police wanted the vehicle, but they didn't want her to tow it yet. They're hoping he comes back to the house, or they can catch him at the house, but he hadn't showed up and they hadn't got him, and they told her to go ahead and get it towed, and that's what she did.